Okay, so to change the format, we need to go back to the home page, courseston.nl. You'll find a tab called the calculator, and under the calculator, the third tab here is report formats. We'll click on report formats. Again, I'm translating this to English. So you'll see under report formats the available form. The first one is default investment and operation costs. This is the standard one that we opened in the Dutch version just now, the SSK format, the English reporting format, and the English reporting format, which also includes customization options. So if we click that, we will come to the English version, which is this one, and we'll enable editing. So now we need to do a little bit of copying and pasting. So if we go back to the Dutch version, this one here, we'll see in this tab, Data Cop, we'll find the rough or raw data. And all the other tabs actually sorted out very nicely. So we just need to copy the rows containing the different process steps. So from row 6 here onwards. And we need to make sure that we select the entire row, as the table is quite wide and we don't want to miss any information. So these are the ones containing data. So we copy these and then we go to the English sheet. Here. And then paste the rows on the same location as we copied them from. So that was row 6. So in the English version, we go back to the tab Data Cop. And you can see that's row 6. And we paste them in here. And now all the figures and names will be transferred to this English file, right? Okay, so once we've filled all of these rows in, we can actually see how this looks in the other tabs. So if we go to CAPEX costs, we can see here, these rows 16 to 20 have the input values that we inputted into the Data Cop. And here you can see the various parameters that have been inputted as well. So civil costs, mechanical costs, electrical costs. And then here from column M, approximately, we can see additional costs as well. So these are all additional costs that have been added. And this here will be the total sum of all these costs together, right? So if you look at the formula, you can see which columns it's taken to actually round up this total. All right, and we're going to do the same for the operational costs as well. If we go to OPEX costs, the tab there, again, we can see what we've inputted into Data Cop. And here you can see in yellow, in the yellow column E, the interest and depreciation. And in the green columns, we see the consumables, for example, energy, chemicals, waste, chemical waste per year. From column T, we see maintenance costs. And from U to W, we can see specific costs. Again, the total can be found here. And this also connects to some very nice graphs. So you look at these graphs based on the CAPEX costs that we inputted. And so you see cost type, and this is the amount in euros. And you can see the breakdown here as well. What percentage was, for example, construction interest costs, design, supervision treatment, protection costs, general building equipment, etc. And if you go to OPEX, you see something very similar. So very similar graphs as well with the cost type. And with the x-axis, you can see the costs. So thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or feedback or would like other instructional videos, do let us know.